All right, pages with a low word count. What, why, and how? Let's go. First, what does this mean? You have pages that have a low word count. This simply means that you have a web page that has fewer than 200 words on it. That's it. Now, why is that important? Because Google indexes words. Even if the words are spoken, like in this video, those words are going to be taken out of the video and put into a transcript, and Google is going to index the transcript, the words from those pages. If you don't have any words on a web page, that page is not going to show up in search results. I'll ask you this. When is the last time you clicked on a website from Google and opened that web page and there were very few words on the page? It's probably been a while since that happened. Usually when you click onto a page from Google, you're going to land on a page that has a pretty good number of words, or maybe a video and some words. But regardless, there is most likely going to be words there. Now, having a web page with few words, in this case, fewer than 200 words, is not always a problem. Some pages, that's going to be normal, like, for example, your contact page. Contact pages, typically not going to have a whole lot of words on them. And that's okay, because we don't really expect that page to appear in search results unless somebody does a very specific search. Like, let's take Meredith's site, for example. If somebody does a search for contact Meredith Zinner Photography, then our contact page might appear, because who else is going to be competing for those exact keywords? And in that case, where nobody else is competing for those keywords, then you might have a page with fewer than 200 words appear in search results. That's about the only situation. If you have a page on your site that you want to have appear in search results, it's going to need more words on it. It's really that simple. If you have, say, a portfolio page on your site that has really mostly just images, not a lot of words, that page is not really going to appear in search results. Because when you think about it, what would people search for in order for Google to match the user with that page? There are no words. Remember, people have to type in words into Google in order to do a search. So what do you do if you have this issue, and you have this issue on pages other than your contact page or a portfolio page or something, some page that you would like somehow to have appear in search results? You're just going to have to put more words on it. Now, the minimum to get rid of this issue in SEMrush is 200 words. If you are competing for a keyword that has any level of competition at all, you're probably going to want more than 200. 350 is more kind of the typical minimum when we talk about SEO. And if you're going for more competitive keywords, you're going to need even more. My advice, if you are competing for a certain keyword, you're trying to get ranking for a certain keyword, do a Google search for that keyword. Click on the first 5 results and see how many words are on those pages. That's kind of a good idea of what you might need for your own pages to rank for that same keyword. But to get rid of this issue in SEMrush, every page is going to need 200 words or more, with the exception of pages like your contact page, which maybe are not going to have that many. Most other pages, certainly like blog pages, your home page, your service pages, anything like that, you're going to need to have at least a minimum of 200 words and preferably more. But start with this, get rid of this warning in SEMrush, and this is at least letting Google know that, yeah, my website has words on it. All the pages have words on them. There is stuff here for you to index, Google. Please do it.